Hello everyone, welcome back to LTS. I'm Tariq and today we have an exciting tutorial for all you software developers out there. We are diving into the world of Sky Resorts and software development. Yes, you had it right. We are going to create an ASP.NET Core web application for a Sky Resort using Visual Studio 2022 preview. But before we hit the slopes of coding, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Now let's jump right in. So what we are going to achieve today? Let's le- let's take a look at our learning objectives. Firstly, we will learn how to create an ASP.NET Core web app and in Visual Studio. Then we will explore the seamless integration of Visual Studio and Azure App Service to publish our web app to the cloud. Lastly, we will master the art of updating our web app in Visual Studio and effortlessly publishing those changes to Azure. But wait, there's more. Stick around till the end because we have got some prerequisites you need to check off before hitting the install button. Before we hit the ground running, here's what you need in your backpack of knowledge. Make sure you are familiar with the Azure cloud environment, have a good grasp of Visual Studio 2022, understand web app concept, possess basic programming language, and have a touch of HTML skills. Oh, and don't forget your case, a local installation of Visual Studio 2022 or latest version. Now that we have covered our bases, the next unit is crucial. We will be installing the necessary workloads to ensure a smooth ride down the coding slopes. So grab your gear and meet me in the next unit. Thanks for joining us today on L2S. Remember, coding is an adventure and we are here to guide you through it. Don't forget to like this video if you are excited about this Sky Resort web app journey. Until next time, happy coding.